Hello. So when you open up the demo here, if you click on our action character, you then can see here in the inspector tab, we have the player character CC. That is our action character here. It's got a bunch of stuff already in here. Just hit the open action character editor. And here you go, where you could edit all the actions. So these are the actions that are already predefined for you. You could create your own. But for instance, we'll go to combo A1, edit combo, and then we get the window of that particular action. And if we want, we could actually edit multiple if we want to compare them. But anyways, so here's then all of the action parameters here, which you can set and assign yourself. And then furthermore, we have the action loadout. This is your loadout of actions. Here I've got a couple predefined already for you. And we see when we click, if it's not already in the loadout, it'll say add. If it is in the loadout, it'll ask you to update. If we click update, it's now going to ask you, all right, for combo A1, what actions are required? You could do selected only and then choose the ones that are required. We'll say none since it's the first. Next type means which ones can go next in the combo. And then you could choose, right, and then hit add. And then you could do that for multiple. Let's just clear that. And then finally, this early exits. So again, you could choose the combos that could cancel, or the moves that could cancel your combo. And then here's your input options. What input does that? You could define more of those. That's for a different video. Then you confirm add it. And then that's the action editor.